Setting up a pipeline in GitHub. Today, I'll walk you through setting up a CI/CD pipeline in GitHub using GitHub Actions. A CI/CD pipeline automates the build, test, and deployment process, helping teams deliver code faster and more reliably. So, to create a new repository, we need to input the following in the command line. After creating the new repository, we can now connect to it. Go to Settings and change the branch from None to Main. After that, go to Developer Settings and click on Personal Access Tokens. Click on Tokens and click on Generate App Token. After that, you can put any token name that you like. After choosing a name, you can now go and copy paste the token that you have created. Next is to create a new repository secret. Put any name that you like and put the earlier access token that you made and add secret. So after that, we can now access the sign up page.